It was great waking up at Warraweena Station. It's just such a lovely farm and a lovely place, and yeah, it's just magical in the morning and in the afternoons. The boys went hiking again this morning, and yeah, I got to say, looks like fun. I might have to bring my sneakers next time.
Well, we started at the bottom here, went all the way up along the ridge.
I was wondering why I was so quiet this morning, now I've just realised.
That's the start
That's
of it.
an arrow. There's an arrow
Right,
pointing
right.
right
Okay.
there.
Well, that's easy then, eh? Thank you.
I know, John, have fun, mate.
So funny enough, with verbal instructions, a paper map and a GPS file, we still get lost, so I don't know what went on.
How's your hammy? I think this is it. I think so. There's maps flow res, so it's a guide, it's not like a straight line path.
Fucking beautiful, isn't it? How good is it here?
Got no fucking idea.
Hey, why don't we just follow it?
Supposed to be going this way now, I think.
Oh, we'll go up there and have a look at that. Look out. This is the shit.
This is a good photo. Wow. Bubba. Fuck, this is a good fucking little spot, eh?
Fuck yeah. Fucking beautiful.
Don't go grabbing too much front row.
So Mel's like a big kid. He sees a hill and he just got to go down it and up it. But yeah, the footage doesn't do it justice. It was quite steep. I think when he comes back up it looks a bit more, shows it more how it is.
Fuck. Shit. Stick sticking out there and he took my head off. Oh.
definitely the track. Which way the hut is, hey?
This is pointing towards right.
Go that way?
Yeah.
Righto. Out here, boys. Big dip there, big dip. Another one here. Got Ian Brian, Jace, Robbie, John A. Danny boy coming out of the hut. Look at all that, that looks like a thrill.
Hey Andy, since you're following behind, you want me to give you the sat phone? You got anywhere for it? So if you need to use it, you got to pull this up. And that's the phone number if anyone wants to call you back, like emergency services or something.
I don't know if we're going the right way here. I think back there we're supposed to go that way.
I don't know, it's low res. Go down a bit, have a seat, have a look.
Righto.
Jason's line was pretty rocky there. Held to it though. That's what these boys ride in tandem side by side have. You've got to have skill to be able to do it, but once you're on your line, you're committed to it. There's no ducking across into the other line because you've got a riding partner sitting there. It freaks me out having people right up next to me. I need a whole lane to navigate this shit. Oh, fuck.
So I was having a lot of trouble with my stand. The kill switch kept killing the engine because all these ruts, it was bouncing around. I'd bent the stand a little bit and it become a bit sloppy from doing pivot turns on it over the last week or so.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. God, that would have scared the shit out of me not so long ago.
Good job.
Oh shit! Oh. I just seen Robbie shit himself. He was up like this. Yeah, he needs to follow you. He's too used to getting your guidance.
I'll go over there and have a look. There might be something over there. Might be able to hook on. I can't see nothing through there.
Yeah, I think it runs right out there just a little bit and have a look.
Probably about halfway.
Yeah, I'm going to ride just to see what the dot says. Yeah, that's not the way. I didn't think about this, did I? Just trying to turn around. Rightio. Righto. Yep. Righto. Righto. Oh, what a dickhead. Rookie move, rookie mistake. Appreciate the assist. I got it now. I'll watch you. Make sure you can get up. Oh well, it's official. I am a stupid bastard.
So one of the main problems we're having with this GPX track is when I've traced it out in Gaia, and I've been obviously just clicking, and I wasn't zoomed in enough to really get the detail of the track, so it's more of a rough guide than a stick to the track sort of track. And it's proving to be a real pain, so we've lost the track and now we're just doubling back on ourselves. We're not sure what happened, so I'll have to give it another go later.
Yeah, this is the way then. Haley's Heart. No, it's Haley's Heart. No. So it was... Well, we should be heading toward Mt Gill. That's the main attraction. That's where the top of the mountain is, and nice look out. Woo! So we're a little bit confused. The track we're following is the points are too far apart, so it's very low resolution, and because everything's starting to look the same out here, we're not sure if we've heading back on our loop somehow. I don't know. because I'm not the fastest rider, I'm not taking lead because I don't want to hold people up. Don't know, it looks familiar. I think we might be heading back. Hey. Stand! Stand got me again. Yeah, it's flapping around and... Oh man, that doesn't feel... Oh, it's still fucking down. Fucking stand, man. Sorry guys. Ugh. I don't know where we went wrong, eh? Yeah, well John hit me yesterday, and when he hit me, he's broken a tab on my bag. Well, sorry boys, I don't know where we zigged and we should have zagged then.
Righto guys, so this is just the first half of this this particular day. It was a pretty action-packed day, so I'm cutting this film in half. The next part of the day is awesome. It's probably my favourite part of the ride, I reckon. We end up riding out of Warraweena through some private tracks, and yeah, they were just fantastic, and we really felt like we're in the middle of nowhere. So stay tuned, I'll try to get that edit done real soon. Cheers.